In this tutorial, I'm going to help you understand your CRM's dashboard area. In addition to the data you see when you log in, you can also scroll down to access more information. But for now, let's start at the top. In the upper right corner, you'll notice 3 buttons that are always visible, no matter what area of the CRM you're in. Clicking on the first button opens up a dialer you can use to easily make phone calls. If you have multiple phone numbers, the Caller ID feature allows you to choose which number you'd like to use for the call. To start the call, enter the number you'd like to dial and click Call. Clicking on the second button. This will bring up a list of your recent conversations. You can click a conversation on the list to go directly to that conversation page. The last button in the top right corner will let you sign out of your CRM account. Let's look at the information you'll find on an account's dashboard. The first box shows you how many opportunities you have for a given date range. By default, it shows you the data for the lifetime of your account. You can change the date range by clicking on it. When you click, a calendar will open. Click one of the options on the left side for quick access to commonly used date presets. You can also click directly on the calendar to enter a manual date range. Click the starting date and then click the ending date. The applicable range will then be highlighted. Once you've made your date selection, click the checkmark to return the relevant data. The dashboard will now show you all data for the selected date range. Keep in mind that you can change the date range from the top of any dashboard section and it will apply to the entire page. The Opportunities section highlights the number of contacts that were put into your opportunities pipeline. Here, the 93 means that there are 93 individual contacts at various stages of a pipeline. Below the total number, you'll see closed, open, and lost. Closed indicates the opportunities that were won or sold. Open means the opportunities which are currently in progress. And lost shows you the number of opportunities that are no longer considered active. In the next box, you have pipeline value. What this means is the total cash value of your opportunities. This is segmented into values for closed, open, and lost leads. This number is the total value of all segments combined. And below is where you'll find the breakdown for each individual segment. The next box to the right is your conversion rate. This rate is simply your number of closed leads divided by the total number of leads. Moving further down the dashboard page, the next box is your funnel. This is a visual representation of how many leads you have in each pipeline stage. If you have more than one pipeline, you can select the one you want to view with this drop-down menu. When you hover your mouse over a section of the funnel, a tip box will appear to show you the number of leads currently at that stage. Remember that these numbers are cumulative. In this example, there are 196 total leads. 26 of those leads are in the conversation stage. And 12 of the 26 have progressed to the appointment set stage. To the right of the funnel, you'll find a pie chart detailing the distribution of your leads across stages. Now let's move down. You will find the manual actions and tasks assigned here. If you are an admin, you will be able to see all the tasks assigned to different users. You can also select a user to check their tasks. You can also filter the tasks according to pending or completed and by due date. The next box you'll find on your dashboard is the Lead Source Report. This section shows you where your leads are coming from. In this example, leads are being generated from lead form and another form. As you can see, the lead form has generated a lead. No value has been assigned to the lead, so the total cash value is 0. These leads are further segmented. In our example, there is 1 open lead, 0 won, and 0 lost. The report also gives you a conversion rate for each of your individual lead sources. Your CRM's dashboard is a powerful way to track your opportunities and lead progression over time. In the next video, we'll talk about the conversations feature of your CRM.